To show you a picture of the assembly, this happening to be the horizontal version of the Relief RP version, the Model 860, and relief valve mounted on the bottom. If it was the the double check assembly, it would be a Model 850 in the horizontal piping configuration. Two check covers on the top for the individual checks, and on the RP version, relief valve mounted underneath. If it's the up and down configuration like this, the double check is a Model 870 with the relief valve attached and the different loadings inside everything else, then it becomes a Model 880 RP. Again, up and down piping configuration is the most common installation, but because of the groove coupling located between the two checks, the second check can be rotated 180 degrees where it's pointing straight up, giving it an up, over, and then straight up vertical orientation for installation. So although the check mechanisms are very similar, which we'll take apart here, the relief valves are the exact same except for the body shape to fit underneath, because the 880 has a rather compact area where the 860 has a larger area to work with under here. The check assemblies are very similar. The discs are slightly different, which I'll show you during the repair process. So let's go ahead and take one apart. So the febco 850, 860 are the horizontal double check RP, 870 and 880 are the what's called the inline or up and down configuration of that assembly. Here's one of the check assemblies from one of those assemblies. The check assembly construction is very similar. The check disc itself will be slightly different between the horizontal and the vertical piping orientation assembly. But the repair techniques will be the same. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our check cover.